$81.90.
For those of us that get nervous.
What does that say?
Stateroom attendants will deliver luggage beginning at 3.
Oh, okay.
Do not expect it beforehand.
Probably should check my air tag to see if it's across the bay again.
Then we know it's here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh, we got a pretty car.
Nice.
Ooh, so clean and new.
Oh, wow. But, man, we got the couch on this side. I like it by the window.
I wonder if they don't do it because of the vanity setup. It might be like this in every room, because some rooms on other ships you could get one way or the other.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We'll see.
This is room 8190 aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Sea. This is a standard balcony. So right when you walk in, you have your bathroom, which seems to be about the same size as your typical Royal Caribbean bathroom. But what's nice is the shower appears to be a little bit more spacious. Maybe it's because of the clear glass, but one nice feature about the shower is a little place that you can use to prop your leg up to shave. But the bathroom has really nice touches with the bluey, purpley gray color in the tile on the floor, and then the blue mosaic tile on the backsplash. A little bit of storage. A well thought out bathroom. Just past the bathroom on either side of the couch or the sofa is some storage. You have 2 clothes hangers in this right hand storage unit. And then on the opposite side, it's slightly different. You have a shorter clothes rod, but you do have shelves with your safe and some additional deep drawers for additional storage. So again, clothes storage is well thought out here. Additional storage and maybe a dresser type of piece of furniture with a hairdryer, some tissues, and just more storage. Oh. Make sure you add a pen or a pencil to your cruise packing list if you want to indulge in the breakfast room service. The first time that we tried to do this, we did not have a pen or a pencil, and I'm sure we could have gone to guest services and gotten one, but now I just add it to my packing list. So that is nice. There is a service fee, but there are free items, and then there's upcharge items as well. And then there is a cooler, followed by a vanity desk area. Here we do have 3 standard American outlets, 1 European outlet, 1 USB, and it looks like a USB-C. So plenty of options. And then if we go to the bed, on the lamp, there is a standard outlet and a USB-C outlet on either side on the lamp. Don't be like me and only bring a USB charger, the standard USB, not USB-C, without the adapter to plug in. So we're gonna have to figure that out. I do have a battery pack, so I might have to use the battery pack at night, charge it during the day like you do when you don't have an outlet by the bed. But it is nice to see the newer ships, and it's pretty standard at this point to have outlets by the bed. So like I said, this is a standard balcony. We do try and pick rooms that are on the angle of the ship's curvature to try and maximize on balcony space. So you can see even here, this side is a little bit more narrow than the side that the camera is on. But we do find that just gives us a little bit more space in the balcony. I really like this chair setup where you can lean the lounger back, and it looks like you also have a footstool, so you can have a true Well, it's not a full lay back since there is a little bit of a step down for the footstool, but you can lay back and take a good nap out here on your balcony. So what's better than that? So again, this is room 8190 aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. We hope you enjoyed it.